Hello, today I'm in Peugeot 508. In this video I'll show you how to play music from smartphone via car's system. In the beginning, make sure that your car is connected with your smartphone, and then take a look at the radio panel. Enter media, go to source and select Bluetooth. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.